Welcome everyone to Metahumans to Unreal Engine. We are using version 5.4. We're going to start by launching the app. And once we're in, we're going to enable all the plugins that we need for Metahumans. And then we're going to proceed to download the Metahumans. Once Unreal Engine has loaded, the recent project folder is where you will start off at. We want to go down to the games folder and select third person template. And to your right is your project details. Make sure it's the same as mine. And for the project name, you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Metahumans. Once you are in Unreal Engine, go to the Edit menu and open Plugins. Type Live Link in the search bar. The plugins that we need are Live Link Control Rig, Live Link Camera. Click the empty checkbox next to each one, and at the bottom right corner, it will ask you to restart. Once your Unreal Engine has restarted, head to the Windows menu and head down to Quixel Bridge. It will take you to the Quixel Bridge launcher. Once your launcher has launched, you need to go to the top right corner and click on the sign in and use your Epic account to log in. Now that you're logged in, go to your left panel, click on the human face, and you will be taken to the Metahumans preset. And up under that is your My Metahumans. Click on that. Now you want to choose the Metahuman that you want to use. And once you click on that, you'll see your medium quality to low quality to high quality settings. I'm going to choose high quality because that's what I want to do. If you have a lower end computer, you might want to use low quality or medium quality. To your right, you'll see download and add. You have to download it first. So we're going to do that. It might take a while for you to download it. So I'm kind of going to speed through this part. And when we get to the add part, I'll walk you through that. After your Metahuman is downloaded, we press the add button, and that's all you need to do. Since I'm adding 2 characters to the project, I want to show you what happens when I add a second character. You will see that it asks to be to enable additional plugins, so I'll enable it. I want you guys to go back to your Metahuman editor, find the character that you added to your project, and click the edit button. Go down to body, and in each one of your clothing selections, put it as none, and for the shoes, put sandals. We are going to make our own clothing options for future references. Once you are done, click on the My Metahuman button in the top left corner to go back to the selection screen. Everything will be auto updated and added to your Quixel Bridge. Now, load up Quixel Bridge click on the Metahuman tab and click on My Metahumans. Click on your character. You will see a little orange symbol on it indicating that there are some changes and we need to update. Press the update button and wait for it to finish, and once it's finished, press add and we will be done. In the next section, we are going to add our metahuman to the third person blueprint, which will allow us to move around. The first thing we want to do is go to our content folder and find Metahuman folder. Open up our Metahuman blueprint. On the left side, scroll down to LOD sync. Click it. On the right side, you will see LOD for num of LOD. Put 1. And for force LOD, put 0 and compile. Leave this window open. Now let's go to our third person blueprint. Go to the viewport, then click on mesh. And on the right, you will see skeletal mesh set. Now go back to your Metahuman window and click on the body. On the skeletal mesh set, click the little folder to the right of it. This takes you to your body asset. Don't open it, just click it and go back to your third person window. In the skeletal mesh set, click the arrow to the right of it. The next step is to go back to our Metahuman blueprint and select feet and hold down shift and click face and then hit Control C. Go back to your third person blueprint, copy paste this under mesh, drag it down to mesh if it doesn't do it correctly. Then on the right side, look at the transform and click the curve on the far right. This will restore everything to its correct placement. Now go back to your Metahuman blueprint and copy everything under face. Go back to your third person blueprint, copy this to the face. If it does not put it under face, drag it down to face. On the right side, hit the reset button on the transform and you're done. The next step is to go to your mesh and on the right side, go to your skeletal mesh set and click folder. Right click the mesh body to go to skeleton and click assign skeleton and select SK mannequin. Now go back to your third person blueprint and select feet. Click the folder on the right side, and when you see your feet, click the right click it and go to your skeleton and click assign skeleton and select SK mannequin. Now go back to your third person blueprint, click mesh. On the right side you will see a nim class. Choose APB Manny and compile. The next step we do is go to your content drawer, go to search bar, type in Manny, click APB Manny, go to your anim graph, open up control rig, scroll down to step 5, in full body for root, select animation root, then compile. Now go back to your viewport editor and press play and enjoy. Hit the like button and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Join all my socials in my description and join my Unreal Engine official community. Thank you for watching.